And the snow is lying cold, looks like a blanket on this town. And it drips down from the rooftops while I hear the winter whisper that everything is naked and stark underneath. And you come into my mind like so many times before. Seems like it's been forever since I couldn't let you go. And all my mistakes dig themselves into my heart again. And all your words, they come back so much clearer to me now. And this cold, cold night leaves me breathless and in doubt. There's a silence and a calm tonight, and I wonder if I was right. Thank you.